Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to make a transparent form in Windows Form application C#. So I will open my Visual Studio. In here, I have a project. I will open it. You can create your new project or work on existing one. Now, I will open my form. In my form, I will just add a label. I will delete this one. I will place this in the middle. I will change its text to transparent form. I will increase its font size to 40 and I will change its font color to color to white. And now I will double click this my form, and in here I will type here that this dot back color is equal to color dot white. So its back color will be white. You can choose any color, and after that I'll type this dot transparency key is equal to color dot white. So you can choose any color, but these two colors should be same. If I use red and this as red, it will work. So I'm just running my application. So as you can, this is my form transparent. Here is my label. So this is my form. If I change choose different colors here like this, then it will not work. As you can see, all of this is white. And now if I make it red again, it is working. It is transparent, as you can see. So my application is working. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like and comment on this video. Or if you are stuck anywhere or you want any fix, you can ask me in comments and I will surely try to make a video on that as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.